Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. Let's start it with something new. This biker decided to dress up and surprise ladies with roses. Check it out.
Target acquired.
Miss. Girls, that's for you.
Thank you.
And this for your friends. This for you. Okay.
Ой, деда, аж мені класно. Бачу.
Te interessa?
A placa.
Te interessa?
Eu sou polícia.
Foda-se.
Tô perguntando a placa só.
E daí?
Não, você viu o fechado que você me deu ali atrás?
Você viu que você não tava nem usando seu retrovisor?
Eu não tava, fechei agora.
After getting cut off, biker approached fellow rider to confront him. But as we managed to understand, this rider introduced himself as off-duty police officer and he started acting tough. After confrontation, this biker tried to get away from the rider, but he continued to follow him and check out what he did next.
Oh, buddy, watch out.
What are you doing? What the f are you doing? Idiot. Dude! What the f are you doing?
Roundabouts are invented for U-turns, but this driver completely misused it.
You can't pull Yui there!
This biker was enjoying a ride on his Yamaha MT-09 when he got ambushed by the thieves. Let's just hope that the cops will do their job and get his bike back.
Tira aqui, ó. Tá, tão roubando ali, velho. Tão roubando.
SUV driver wasn't paying attention and T-boned oncoming biker. Luckily, nobody was injured. This driver in black car swerved to avoid an accident right next to him. Luckily, fast reflexes of biker saved him from getting hit.
Vai, tá tudo bem, mano.
After spotting a stranded rider on the side of the highway, this biker pulled over to help him. He definitely did his best to get his bike running.
How it's going?
What's up, bro?
Good. You alright?
Gasoline. You have español?
You try? Start?
Yes. No, my biker. I think no.
Oh.
I'm gonna try.
Okay. Let's see.
Take care. All right. Be safe. Huh? It's okay. Huh? No. It's okay. Go catch gas station. Go. Okay.
Your tailgate's open! Your tailgate's up! I got it. I got it. The tailgate. You're gonna lose your stuff. Nothing. No. Have a good day.
Dangerous.
Салют, что? Корнет. А зачем камера, бро? Żegnesie ta cię poszkość. Ty! Kamerka, ta ty! Ani!
Mark that. Mark that.
There's a white van up ahead that's in a very odd angle to the traffic, and it's stationary with its brake lights on. And as we roll the footage forwards, we find he's opened his door and he's trying to get out of his van. Now, I don't know what's going on, whether he's broken down or whatever. The traffic moves forwards, the BMW speeds up and pulls away from him. So he closes his door and chases after it, so there's clearly a bit of road rage going on here. Now, as we roll the film forwards, I took a glance at what was going on with the guy driving, and he was pulling out what I thought was a bat, but clearly in this still footage, it's a club hammer. Going to put it in his door pocket, clearly to be tooled up for a confrontation with the BMW driver. And the reason he's gone into the inside lane is so he can go down the inside of the BMW and block them off. He's clearly going to get out of the van with his club hammer. At this point, I intervene and tell him I am videoing what's going on. Now, he claims he's been cut up by the BMW driver, but is this genuinely a responsible way to behave? Of course, after I've confronted him, I become the object of his anger, calling me every name under the sun as he drives off into the distance.
I'm filming it, mate. I'm filming it.
What are you doing to me, mate?
I don't care. What are you doing?
You cut me up so badly.
It doesn't matter. You don't take the law into your own hands.
Unfortunately, almost in every episode we get at least one new clip of bikers crashing at the tail of the Dragon Road. Guys, if you are planning to ride there sometime, make sure to be extra careful. Twisty roads are just dangerous as much as they are fun to ride on.
Oh, 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 he fell. He crashed. I'm okay, I'm okay, I'm okay, I didn't crash. You okay? Okay. Yeah, here, let's... My dad will be here right in a second if you want to wait a second. Okay. Yeah, here, just relax for a second. I want to make sure you're alright. Oh, no, I can push it up there for you. You just, I want to make sure you're okay. I'll push it over here. Yeah, he seems like he's okay. I'm fine. I know.
All good, bro. All good. It's on the kickstand. Good, good.
Check out what happened to this biker after he lane filtered to the front of the traffic.
Yeah, pretty much. I landed with my head like buried in the floor. For f***'s sake.
Mate, the Grom has taken a beating today. It's 2 crashes in one day. Maybe I've overestimated these knobbly tyres. Oh, my bars. My bars are
Before this, me and another car were just giving ourselves thumbs up because he was driving a nice ride and just he liked my bike too. And we didn't drive reckless or anything like that. And this slingshot right here passed me, nodding his head. I mean, I'm going speed limit. He flips me off right here. I'm going speed limit, so I just pass him. And then he's just making gestures like if I'm... I wouldn't have done that if he wouldn't have started. He's telling me to pull over right here to fight, I guess. He was just very angry for no reason. See, you see there, he's like saying like, oh, you drive like crazy while he's like crossing my lane. I should just show him that he's crossing my lane. He takes off his belt right here, his seat belt and his glasses, I believe, or puts on his glasses, I don't know. We come to a stop. I'll shut up here so you can hear what he said.
You dumbass. You fucking jeopardize people's asses because of you, and then your plate. Look at your plate. Yeah. Throw the up. I hope you get wrecked.
He tells me that
Your mother sucks.
he says that he wishes I wreck. I'm just waving by. I'm being a troll at this point, just because why not? I'm having fun. It's a Saturday. It's a good day for me. Leave the scene. We do get a yellow light. I would have stopped there to see what he would do, but he wasn't going to do anything.
What are you doing? I moved in for him. Sake, man. I moved in for that. I moved in for the ambulance.
These bikers gathered to help out fellow rider who mistakenly filled his bike with diesel.
There is a diesel into his scooter, so.
Diesel. It's green.
Lift a little bit there, like.
Don't put this up on YouTube now, you.
Mind the screen. I don't have thoughts of it.
Jack, have you an in it hot?
How many patties does it take to lift 100?
Right.
Lovely.
Do it again there, I didn't have it recorded.
No, that is petrol. P-E-T-R-O-L. And this is diesel.
I can see the confusion though.
Yeah.
What's up, buddy? What you want to do? Pull over there.
Can you just help lift up?
One, two, three. One, two, three. Let's push it out there. How do I quit?
Just push over there, please.
So this was the part how do you clutch and over
Go.
Woolley. Here we go.
Okay.
Straight.
Stoot. Okay, thanks.
Look out, you no, man. Yeah, the police are heading into a high-stress situation and you've got this goofy airheaded woman causing them more stress. Sake. Hell, man. Jesus.
This biker encountered several close calls while commuting on his bike. Take a look. People do crazy stuff when it comes to gender reveal. This one almost went terribly wrong. Check it out.
How to do a baby gender reveal? Don't hit me! Hell yeah! What? That was bad. I thought I was dead for a second. Hell yeah. That was cool, man.